So today we are still in section 4-2. I'm just only teaching you how to convert from standard form to vertex form. So example 1, we have y equals x squared minus 4x plus 6. And your first step is to identify what a is, what b is, and what c is. So a is the number in front of x squared, so it's 1. b is the number in front of x, so it's negative 4. And c is the number all by itself, so it's 6. So I have to find the vertex. So just like you learned on Thursday evening, you have to find the axis of symmetry first so that you can find the x part of your vertex. So that's negative b divided by 2a. So negative 4 makes it positive 4 divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. And 4 divided by 2 gives me x equals 2. So the x part of my vertex is 2. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write that down. And then to find the y vertex, just like before, you take what x equals and you substitute it in for x into your original equation. So y equals 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 6. So 2 squared is 4. Negative 4 times 2 gives me minus 8 plus 6. 4 minus 8 gives me negative 4 plus 6 gives me y equals 2. So my vertex is 2, 2. So now that I found my vertex, I can now convert it into vertex form. So if you don't remember, vertex form is y equals a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. Okay, so remember h and k are my vertex, so h is 2 and k is 2. And then hopefully you notice up here at the top, a equals positive 1. So this a and this a are the exact same thing. So my final answer is y equals. And then if you want to write the 1 here or not, remember it's not necessary for you to write the 1 there, but it is there. So 1 times the quantity x minus 2 squared, and then plus 2. So press pause and work on example 2. You are converting from standard form to vertex form. So you first want to identify what a is, what b is, and what c is. And then you need to find your axis of symmetry so you can find the x part of your vertex. So negative 4 divided by 2 times negative 1 gives me negative 4 over negative 2, which gives me x equals positive 2. Okay, so the x part of my vertex is positive 2. So then to find the y part of my vertex, I take what x equals and I plug it in for x. So since the minus sign was out in front of the x, you don't do negative 2 squared, you do positive 2 squared and then you make it negative. So 2 squared gives me 4 and then bring down that minus sign out in front. 4 times 2 gives me 8 and then bring down the minus 5. So negative 4 plus 8 gives me positive 4, minus 5 gives me negative 1, so the y part of my vertex is negative 1. So now I'm going to plug in h and k, and then my a value is the exact same from up here, so I'm going to use negative 1. So my vertex form is y equals negative 1, or just the negative sign, x minus 2 squared, and then minus 1.